What about bars, grills, and restaurants? Well, this is a tremendous opportunity to stay in touch with your customer base and audience and help them to drive even more referrals to your place of business through special offers. Instantly connecting with your customer base to inform them via text and drive people through the doors. That's what mobile is all about. Let's take an example of the Balance Grill. Now, this is a Pan Asian grill. They can, again, promote this on their website, table tents on the tabletops when people come into the restaurant. So you could promote it in-house, on the radio, on television, on your website, so many different ways, flyers, signs. Once they start promoting their keyword, which in this case is Balance Grill, texted to 90210. If it were a table tent, they might be able to offer, for instance, a free appetizer or a free starter, as they call it. They're able to instantly connect with their customer base once their customer base has opted in. They're also able to do raffles. Restaurants and grills can do raffle promotions to incentivize their customer base to opt in. It could be free drinks. It could be special offers on the menu. In this case, you could offer a special offer through a raffle. And if you had a big catering event that you did as the restaurant, you could have all of the attendees at that catered event text Balance Grill to 90210 and win something special. And now they have opted in to receive the special offers that Balance Grill sends out on some sort of regular basis. It is the perfect way to drive business through your doors at the best times. So say a restaurant has had 200 to 2,000 people opt in by texting their keyword to 90210. So it's a slow Wednesday night. They could offer a free dessert for anyone who shows up between, 9 and 11, or free drinks. I mean, it's just such a wonderful way to drive the business through your doors at the best times. So try it. Text Balance Grill to 90210. If you live in Ohio, you'll definitely want to go see the Balance Grill. And once you do this on your phone through a new message to 90210, the way you get back is show this message to your server for a free starter. Stay tuned for special offers from Balance Grill. There's their phone number. There's their website. They could keep their customer audience informed of weekly specials, daily specials, and also certain events that they do. It's just a tremendous way to stay connected with your audience and literally drive your audience to the action that you need for your business at the proper times. Well, let's look at how this is done through the dashboard and realize as we go there that everyone remembers the 90210 short code. And while there are tens of thousands of short codes out there, in order to get friends and family members to tell others, they need to have a short code like 90210 that they'll never forget. They won't forget your name because they love your business, so they'll tell their friends and family, hey, text Roman Street, text Balance Grill, text We Be Big to 90210 and join the network. Let's go to the AdZig dashboard and show you exactly how this works. So here we are logged in to the back office or the dashboard for the Balance Grill account. What we want to do is actually take you through how Balance Grill can now literally send out a message to those who opt in to their restaurant. You've already seen the response that everyone gets, but what if the Balance Grill wanted to run a promo? And let's say they wanted to send out to everyone who had opted in through the web. They wanted to send it to everyone who had opted in through the restaurant and everyone who had opted in through their radio advertisement. So essentially, they're going to send it to all of these groups that have opted in to the Balance Grill keyword. And they want to schedule this message to go out at a certain time. And let's say that we want it to go out every Thursday. We're going to set this as a repeat reminder. And every Thursday, this is going to be a special event. And since it's going to go weekly, we're going to say that it goes weekly. And we're going to send this out at 11:30 a.m. And this is going to go out Eastern Time. And our message is from the Balance Grill. Let's say join us for buy one get one lunch specials today. And if they only wanted to send that once a month, they could do so. They have the choice up here to choose exactly when and how often they want to send out this type of message. And again, put in the logo, sorry, not the logo, but the website. So they could add in their phone number and do anything that they wanted with this particular message. But all they do to schedule this message to go out on a weekly basis, and we want to send this reminder 5 times for the next 5 weeks, then we simply click on schedule message, send every 2 weeks. So every other week this message is going to go out. Schedule message, and there you go. Now this message is already scheduled to go out for the next 10 weeks, every other week on Thursdays for the buy one, get one lunch specials. If you want to drive behavior, that's exactly how you do it. It goes out to everyone who has opted in to the Balanced Grill Network. I hope you'll check out www.90210buzz.com for more videos on various ways that the 90210 platform can be used to effectively drive the action to your business, to your organization that you're looking for.